This is Mr. Jarvis with homework help for November 8th, and we're taking a look at some doozy of some addition and subtraction problems. These are tough. This is from the book. So the first round here, we got 14, 5 14ths plus 5. We need to find a common denominator. I always look at the larger, see if it's divisible by the smaller, and it's not. So my guess, I happen to know. So you just start listing out the denominators: 14, 28, 42. None of these are divisible by 5, 56, and I'm not going to get there till I get till 570. So I need to write 5 14ths as something over 70. And I multiplied the 14 by 5 to get that 70. So now I need to multiply the numerator by 5. 5/5 is 1. If I multiply a number by 1, I don't change its value. 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm going to start rewriting this simplified version or common denominator: 25 70ths plus. Okay, now I got to find this one. And my common denominator is 7. So 4/5 is equal to something over 70. And I multiply that by 14. Okay. And 14 times 4 is, we got 56. And so let me go ahead. I kind of just working that out here. So yeah, you might have to write that up. That's 56 70ths. So now I have a common denominator. I can add them. So if you need to line it up vertically, that helps. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 3, 81 70ths. 80. And this is what we call an improper fraction. So this is a fraction that represents a number of over 1. 1 is represented 70 pieces equals 1. So 81 divided by 7 is going to go once with a remainder of 11. So there's one group of 70. So I take away 70 from the 81 and I'll get one whole, and I'd have 11 left. 11 70ths. 1 times 70 is 70 plus 11 is 81. So this is my answer. Oh, man, that's hard. They're giving you some tough ones here. All right. So now they want to mess with you some more. Here's another really tough one. And, we're going to get the common denominator of, it's going to be 63. So 9 times 7 is 63. So let's just go with that. 7/9, something over 63, and multiplied the bottom number by 7, top number by 7. So I got 49 63rds. Okay, so rewrite the problem up here: 49 63rds. I can erase this. Plus, I got to get this 4/7, write an equivalent fraction: 60ths. I multiplied them each by 9 to get that 63. So 4 times 9, 36, minus 36 63rds. Okay, equals, well, it's got to have the same denominator, 63. So I got to figure out 49 minus 36. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 13 63rds. And that's all she wrote there. All right. Okay, let's look at another one. So we have Lisa drank 7/16 of a bottle of water during the soccer game. Julianne drank 2/3 of a bottle of water that was the same size as Lisa's. Who drank more water? So 7/16. Well, I know 7/16 is less than half. 2/3 is more than half. So I know Julianne drank more water, but they want to find exactly how much. So we have to find common denominator here. And so 16 and 3, that's tough because 16 is not divisible by 3. So I need to write out, I'm going to use blue here, write out the multiples of 16. Like 16, is that not divisible by 3? 32 is not divisible by 3. 48 is divisible by 3. So I'm going to write 7/16 as something over 48. I multiplied it by 3 3/3, so 21/48. So 21/48, and then I'll write it here, 21/48. I know that's the smaller amount, so I'm going to write it kind of on the right here. All right, now I need to write 2/3 as something over 48. And see, I multiplied it by 16, right? 16 16ths. 3 times 16 is 48. 2 times 16 is 32. So 32 48. What's the difference? Minus 21. And I get 11/48. Ouch. Okay. So just kind of how you kind of have to, these are doozies. So if you're struggling, we might have to think about some of these too. So don't feel badly. This was hard. We'll go over it tomorrow. Just do your best. Spend about 20-25 minutes on it. And if you can't get it, you're still struggling, let me know. We'll work on them together in class. Have a great evening. Hopefully this helped.